Hello students, today we will start with the next sums from question number 1, that is we will do question number G here. See, a square b plus b square c plus c square a into ab square plus bc square plus ca square is greater than 9a square b square c square. So here a, b, c is greater than 0 and also we know that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. So there are three terms here. So I have considered here a square b plus b square c plus c square a divided by 3 terms. Again, the geometric mean will also be root over a square b into b square c into c square c. But here cube root of a square b into b square c into c square a. Okay. Now see, a square b plus b square c plus c square a by 3 will remain as it is. Here I can write here a square and a, so a cube, b square and b, so b cube and c cube. Now, if I take this cube root, then what will I get here? ABC. So, I get here a square b plus b square c plus c square a divided by 3 is greater than ABC. Which implies that a square b plus b square c plus c square a is greater than 3ABC. Now, keep this one as equation number 1. Again, from the second term, it is given ab square plus bc square plus ca square. So here also I can write the arithmetic mean as ab square plus bc square plus ca square divided by 3 is greater than cube root of ab square into bc square into ca square. Now again here see, here there is a and there is a square. Here there is b square and b, c square and c. So I can write here a cube into b cube into c cube. Now this can be written as abc and this side remains as it is. So therefore ab square plus bc square plus ca square can be written as 3abc. This one, see, equation number 1 is a square b plus b square c plus c square a is greater than 3abc. And in equation 2 we get ab square plus bc square plus ca square is greater than 3abc. Now multiply these two equations, what do we get? This one, a square b plus b square c plus c square a multiplied by ab square plus bc square plus ca square is greater than 3 into 3, 9, a square, b square, c square. Okay. Now we will move on to the second question. Here it is said that we need to show ab plus c plus bc by a, ab by c plus bc by a plus ca by b is greater than equal to a plus b plus c, where it is given that a comma b comma c is greater than 0. Okay. Now, it is given that a comma b comma c is greater than 0 and also we know that arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean. Here we will consider two terms. One is your a square b square and the other is your b square c square in the first case. So, if I consider these two terms, then the arithmetic mean for the two terms will be a square b square plus b square c square divided by 2. And the geometric mean will be a square b square into b square c square. So from here, see, this will remain as it is and here a square is there. So a square, b square into b square will be b to the power 4 into c square. Okay, so which implies that a square b square plus b square c square divided by 2 is greater than equal to a b square c. If I remove the square root, then I'll get a b square c. Which implies that a square b square plus b square c square is greater than equal to twice a b square c. Give this one as equation number 1. Now you see the pattern, a square b square plus b square c square gives me twice a b square c. I mean greater than equal to twice a b square c. Similarly, if I consider two terms, that is b square c square and c square a square. So see here, in the first equation we get 2 here, so I have written here 2. Then the first term, that the first variable, that is a square, I have written here a. So here the first variable is b square, so I'll write here b. The second one, see here, b square. In the first term also there is a b square, in the second term also there is b square. And in this right hand side also I get here b square. So here there is c square, there is c square here. So I've written here c square. Again, in the last, here b square, c square, this last variable is c square here. So I've written here c in the first equation. Similarly, see here, there is a square here, so I have written here a. So this pattern follows. Again, c square a square plus a square b square. If I take these two terms, I will get this as greater than equal to 2c a square b. I will keep this one as equation number 3. Now, if I add these three equations, what will I get? A square b square plus b square c square plus b square c square plus c square a square plus c square a square plus a square b square. See here, a square b square a square b square, b square c square b square c square, c square a square and c square a square. That means there are 2 of each term, which is greater than equal to twice a b square c plus 2b c square a plus 2a square b c. Okay. Now since there are 2 of each term, so I can write 2a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square is greater than equal to, from these 3 terms I can write here, I can take common abc, so twice of abc in bracket a plus b plus c. Now divide these 3 terms with abc. How will I divide this? A square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square divided by abc, which is greater than equal to a plus b plus c. Now each term, divide this each term with abc. So a square b square by abc plus b square c square by abc plus c square a square by abc greater than equal to a plus b plus c. So from here I will get ab by c plus bc by a plus ca by b, which is greater than equal to a plus b plus c. This is what we need to prove. Okay. Okay, now let us move on to question number 3. Now in this question it says that if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1, which is equal to p square plus q square plus r square, then we need to show that ap plus bq plus cr is less than 1. Now we know that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. So here we will consider these 2 terms, a square and p square. Okay. So if I consider this 2, then I can write here arithmetic mean as a square plus p square divided by 2, which is greater than root over a square p square. Now remove this root over sign, then we will get here ap. Thus we get a square plus p square is greater than twice ap. We keep this one as equation number 1. Similarly, we can write b square plus q square is greater than twice of bq and keep this one as equation number 2. Also, c square plus r square is greater than twice cr, and now keep this one as equation number 3. Now we will add these 3 equations. After adding these 3 equations, what do we get? A square plus p square plus b square plus q square plus c square plus r square is greater than twice of ap plus twice of bq plus twice of cr. So see here, a square plus b square plus c square, I have taken this as one term. Then next, plus b square plus q square plus r square greater than 2 common ap plus bq plus cr. Now a square plus b square plus c square is given as 1. Also p square plus q square plus r square is given as 1. So 1 plus 1 2 is greater than twice of ap plus bq plus cr. Cancel this 2 and this 2, I get 1. Therefore I can say that ap plus bq plus cr is less than 1. Okay. So we end number 3 here. In our next video, we'll continue with the rest of the sums. Okay. Thank you.